Small space, big mess? Living in a tiny apartment means every surface counts and clutter shows instantly. In this video, we are diving into 25 essential cleaning gadgets designed to keep compact homes fresh, organized, and future-ready for 2026. Smart tools, space-saving solutions, and upgrades that make everyday cleaning faster and more satisfying. If you love practical finds that actually improve your routine, subscribe, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments which one you would use first. All product links are waiting for you in the description. Grout that never looks clean can make a small apartment feel permanently messy. Scrubbing by hand eats up time and leaves you exhausted. A cordless spin scrubber shifts that balance, turning deep cleaning into something faster and more controlled. 3 adjustable speeds let you match power to the surface. A gentle setting glides over glass, medium breaks down soap residue on shower walls, and high torque targets stubborn buildup trapped in grout lines. Voice prompts announce speed changes and low battery, keeping your focus on the surface instead of the controls. 8 interchangeable brush heads handle wide tiles, tight corners, delicate finishes, and more. The adjustable handle extends to 43.3 inches so you can clean tubs and high walls upright, then detach it for handheld precision. Waterproof construction, LED display, fast Type-C charging, and up to 90 minutes of runtime allow a full bathroom reset in one session. For $33.99, it feels like buying back your energy and your weekend. Pet hair on the couch, on your clothes, floating through a tiny apartment can make even a clean space feel chaotic. Grooming day usually means fur everywhere and a stressed dog. A grooming vacuum kit like this changes the entire experience, keeping loose hair contained while you trim. With up to 9,000 pascals of suction and 3 adjustable levels, it captures shedding directly into the dust cup as you brush or clip. Start gentle so your dog stays calm, then increase power for thicker coats. The result feels controlled, quiet, and far less overwhelming. 6 tools work together in one system: a grooming brush, detangling tool, electric clippers with multiple guide combs, and cleaning attachments. You shape the face and paws with precision, smooth the back evenly, and maintain a polished look without salon appointments. The low-noise design helps reduce anxiety, while the 1-liter detachable dust cup holds an entire session before emptying. For $79.98, it feels like turning grooming into a calm routine instead of a messy event. Dust hiding under the fridge, beneath the couch, along tight gaps can quietly ruin the feeling of a clean apartment. You vacuum the visible areas, yet something still feels off. A retractable gap dust cleaner reaches the spaces most tools ignore. The ultra-slim head slides effortlessly under appliances and low furniture, while split microfiber fibers create a light electrostatic charge that attracts dust and hair instead of pushing it around. Use it dry for quick touch-ups or slightly damp for deeper cleaning. A stainless steel telescoping pole extends up to 61 inches, letting you adjust the length depending on the task. Corners, baseboards, air vents, narrow bedside gaps, even ceiling edges become accessible without moving heavy furniture. 2 washable microfiber covers allow rotation between dry and wet use, then rinse and reuse. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store, it turns hidden dust into something manageable. For $13.99, it feels like restoring that fresh, fully clean atmosphere every small space deserves. Nothing ruins a clean bathroom faster than a traditional toilet brush sitting in a damp holder. The smell, the dripping, the idea of reusing the same bristles again and again. A disposable toilet cleaning system changes that experience instantly. Flexible sponge heads reach under the rim, along edges, and into tight curves where buildup hides. With a simple click, the refill locks into place, and once you finish, another press releases it straight into the trash. No storing a dirty brush, no lingering mess. 48 refills keep your routine covered for weeks, while the wall-mounted holder saves space in compact bathrooms. It also handles sinks, tubs, and drains with precision. For $16.99, it feels like upgrading hygiene without complicating your routine. Laundry in a tiny apartment often means bulky plastic jugs taking over precious space. Detergent sheets solve that instantly. These ultra-thin strips replace heavy liquid soap with a compact, pre-measured solution that tackles stains and odors in hot or cold cycles. No spills, no measuring, no residue left behind. Just drop a sheet in and let it work. Gentle on skin, travel-friendly, and surprisingly powerful, they deliver up to 60 loads in one slim pack. For $13.99, it feels like simplifying laundry without sacrificing performance. Wrinkled clothes in a small closet can make your entire look feel rushed. A portable handheld steamer like this smooths fabric in minutes without pulling out a full ironing board. With 700 watts of power, it releases steady steam that penetrates cotton, silk, wool, and more, helping garments fall back into shape quickly. The 240-milliliter tank delivers up to 15 minutes of continuous steam, enough for a full outfit refresh. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in a suitcase. For $26.99, it feels like effortless polish on demand. Irritated hands can turn simple cleaning into something uncomfortable. Reusable rubber gloves protect your skin while keeping full control of every task. Made from soft natural rubber with a light velvet lining, they stay comfortable during longer sessions. Textured palms and fingers improve grip on wet dishes and glass, reducing slips. 4 different colors let you assign pairs for kitchen or bathroom use. Flexible and durable, they quietly upgrade daily routines. For $7.99, it feels like protection that pays off every day. Pet hair in the corners, crumbs under the table, dusty floors that never stay clean for long can make a small apartment feel constantly unfinished. A self-emptying robot vacuum and mop transforms that cycle into something automatic and precise. With 5,000 pascals of suction, it lifts debris from hard floors and boosts power on carpets for a deeper clean. Advanced LiDAR mapping scans your home in full rotation, building accurate layouts and navigating around furniture without random bumps or missed spots. Vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and automatic dust disposal work together in one streamlined system. The large base station stores debris for up to 60 days, while the battery runs up to 180 minutes and resumes exactly where it stopped. Through the application or voice control, you set schedules, no-go zones, and cleaning modes that fit your routine. For $202.99, it feels like outsourcing your floors to a smart, reliable assistant. Water spots on glass can make a clean bathroom look unfinished. A stainless steel shower squeegee restores that clear look in seconds. Its smooth silicone blade glides across shower doors, mirrors, and tile walls, removing droplets and soap residue without streaks. The rust-resistant steel body feels solid in hand, and the ergonomic grip keeps movements controlled. It also works on car windows and other flat surfaces, adding versatility beyond the shower. 2 waterproof adhesive hooks let you store it neatly within reach. For $9.49, it feels like a small upgrade that keeps everything looking polished. Spilled coffee on the couch or pet accidents on the rug can instantly change the mood of a room. A portable upholstery cleaner like this brings control back in minutes. With 18 kilopascals of suction, it penetrates deep into fabric to lift stubborn stains, pulling dirt and moisture away so surfaces dry faster. Dual water tanks separate clean and dirty water, allowing longer sessions without constant refills. The lightweight body makes it easy to carry from sofa to stairs to car seats, while the hose and attachments handle tight corners and detailed spots. Compact enough to store under a sink, powerful enough for real messes. For $69.99, it feels like having a professional deep clean ready whenever accidents happen. Sticky footprints on tile and dull patches on hardwood can make sealed floors lose their shine fast. A lightweight steam mop powered only by water brings that clean, refreshed look back without adding chemical residue to your space. In about 30 seconds, it releases consistent steam that loosens grease and grime, while textured microfiber pads trap and lift debris with every pass. Swivel steering helps you glide around furniture and into tight corners, keeping movement smooth and controlled. The removable water tank allows easy refills, and at under 5 pounds, it is simple to carry between rooms. An extended cord gives wider reach so you can clean more without constant stops. For $59.99, it feels like restoring your floors with nothing but pure steam and precision. Sweeping should not mean bending over or chasing dust across the floor. A long-handle broom and dustpan set keeps everything upright and efficient. Adjustable stainless steel poles let you choose the right height, making cleaning more comfortable. Built-in comb teeth pull hair and debris from the bristles in one motion. Helpful in homes with pets. A rubber edge sits flush against the floor to catch fine dust. Both pieces clip together for compact storage. For $17.98, it feels like making a simple chore noticeably easier. A mattress can look perfectly clean while hiding dust deep inside the fabric. Every night, you rest on a surface that collects particles you cannot see. A dedicated mattress vacuum brings a different level of care to your bedroom. With 16 kilopascals of suction and high-frequency tapping, it penetrates beyond the surface to lift embedded dust from beds, pillows, and couches. Ultraviolet light at 253.7 nanometers activates only when in contact with fabric, adding an extra layer of protection while refreshing surfaces. Heat up to 145 degrees Fahrenheit helps loosen debris and reduce moisture, leaving fabrics feeling dry and renewed. A multi-layer HEPA filtration system captures fine particles, while the long cord provides extended reach across larger pieces. Easy to empty and simple to maintain, it turns deep cleaning into a practical routine. For $51.99, it feels like investing in cleaner rest and greater peace of mind. Soaked hands and dirty water can make mopping frustrating. A flat mop and bucket system with separate wash and dry zones keeps the process cleaner and more controlled. The built-in squeegee removes hair and debris from the pad, while the drying side keeps the right moisture level for hardwood or tile. Its slim head reaches under sofas and into corners easily. For $26.59, it feels like a simpler way to keep floors looking fresh. Dust inside your car hides in places a cloth simply cannot reach. Air vents, cup holders, tight seams around buttons slowly collect debris that makes the interior feel neglected. A cleaning gel like this slips into those narrow gaps and lifts dirt in seconds. Just press it gently into vents, around the console, or over small crevices, then peel it away and watch the dust come with it. The soft compound adapts to uneven surfaces without leaving residue behind. Reusable until it darkens, it also works on keyboards, remotes, and other small electronics at home. Compact and easy to store, it turns detailing into a quick routine instead of a chore. For $7.99, it feels like a tiny tool with surprisingly satisfying results. Sweeping fine dust or pet hair can feel endless when bristles scatter debris. A silicone broom with quad-blade technology creates light static as you move, helping attract hair and particles instead of pushing them away. It handles broken glass and liquid spills with the same smooth edge, working on hardwood, tile, and low-pile rugs. The washable blades rinse clean in seconds, staying hygienic after every use. For $34.95, it feels like one smarter tool for everyday messes. Grease on kitchen tiles and dull spots on hardwood can make deep cleaning feel overwhelming. A steam mop that converts into a handheld cleaner gives you control over every surface in one system. In just 15 seconds, it heats up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, releasing powerful steam that loosens grime using only water. Detach it to target grout lines, windows, upholstery, or tight crevices with specialized attachments. The large water tank and long cord allow extended sessions without constant refills. Chemical-free and family-friendly, it refreshes floors and furniture with precision. For $59.98, it feels like bringing professional-level steam into your daily routine. Crumbs in the car seat, pet hair on the couch, dust hiding in tight corners can make a small space feel constantly untidy. A cordless handheld vacuum like this brings fast control back into your routine. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it feels light in your hand yet delivers up to 11,000 pascals of suction. 2 power modes let you switch between quick daily touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions. The brushless motor spins at high speed to lift debris from upholstery, car interiors, and narrow gaps that larger vacuums cannot reach. A large transparent dustpan empties with one touch, while the washable HEPA filter captures fine particles for cleaner air. The long-lasting battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime and recharges easily with Type-C. Compact enough for cupboards or glove compartments, powerful enough for real messes. For $27.99, it feels like having instant cleaning power wherever you need it most. Dirty mop water and heavy buckets can turn floor cleaning into a messy task. A spin mop system with hands-free wringing changes that experience completely. The built-in wringer lets you control moisture without touching the dirty water, while the splash guard keeps everything contained as you move from room to room. The rotating triangular microfiber head reaches deep into corners, along baseboards, and under furniture with smooth movement. Millions of microfiber strands capture dirt and grime, using only water, safe for hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. The handle extends for comfortable use, and the washable refill lasts for months before needing replacement. For $39.96, it feels like upgrading to a smarter, cleaner way to care for your floors. Pet hair on carpets and along baseboards can make a home feel unfinished. An upright vacuum designed for strong pickup restores that fresh look in fewer passes. Swivel steering moves easily around furniture, keeping cleaning smooth in tight spaces. The triple-action brush roll lifts embedded hair, while scatter-free technology controls debris on hard floors. Edge cleaning reaches corners where dust hides. For $139.99, it feels like a reliable reset for homes with pets. Dust trapped between keyboard keys and inside computer vents can quietly affect performance and make your workspace look neglected. A rechargeable electric air duster like this delivers a focused burst of power without disposable cans. With 3 adjustable speed modes reaching up to 51,000 rotations per minute, it adapts to delicate electronics or deeper cleanups inside cases and car interiors. Built-in LED lighting helps reveal debris hiding in dark corners. The 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 30 minutes of cordless runtime and recharges quickly with USB-C. Reusable and liquid-free, it protects sensitive components while keeping everything crisp. For $24.68, it feels like a smarter way to maintain your tech. Sweeping debris into a traditional dustpan often means bending down and chasing that last stubborn line of dirt. A touchless automatic dustpan changes that motion completely. As you sweep toward it, infrared sensors detect movement and activate powerful suction instantly. With 1,000 watts of power, it pulls in pet hair, food crumbs, litter, and fine dust in seconds. High-efficiency filters help capture particles before releasing cleaner air back into the room. Always on and ready, it sits quietly against the wall until you need it. For $169, it feels like upgrading a basic chore into a faster, hands-free routine. Driveways stained with grime and patio furniture dulled by weather can make the exterior of your home feel neglected. An electric pressure washer like this delivers up to 2,300 psi of force, cutting through buildup with controlled precision. The steel extendable wand and quick connect nozzles adapt to cars, fences, decks, and concrete, while the onboard soap tank boosts cleaning power when needed. Compact, lightweight, and built with anti-tipping stability, it moves easily around your space. For $139, it feels like restoring curb appeal in a single afternoon. Burnt-on spills and cloudy streaks can make a glass cooktop look older than it is. A specialized cleaner kit like this restores that sleek shine without scratching delicate surfaces. The non-abrasive cream breaks down grease and baked-on residue, while the included scrubbing pad and scraper handle tougher buildup with control. Safe for glass, ceramic, and induction ranges, it leaves a clear, polished finish instead of haze. For $21.98, it feels like bringing your stove back to showroom condition. Dust on ceiling fans and high corners can quietly dull an entire room. An extra-long duster with an extension pole reaching up to 100 inches makes those hidden areas easy to access. The bendable microfiber head adapts to different angles, sliding over blades, blinds, and tall furniture without dragging out a ladder. Electrostatic fibers attract fine dust and hair, whether used dry or slightly damp. The head detaches for quick washing and reuse. For $7.57, it feels like reaching the last untouched spots with minimal effort.